Hey there, I'm Snap, your AI buddy here to help you create amazing content. The easy way. Ready to meet some magical tools that'll make your life way easier? Let's go. First up, ChatGPT. Whether you're stuck on video ideas or need a catchy title, this tool is a lifesaver. Just type your topic and boom, scripts, ideas, hooks, all done in seconds. Next, Canva's AI tools. Need a quick thumbnail? Canva can remove backgrounds, suggest layouts, and even generate visual elements. No design skills? No problem. Number 3. Pictory. This tool turns your script into a full video. It matches visuals with voiceovers and background music. It's like having your own mini editing team. Want a professional YouTube landing page in 30 seconds? Durable.co is your best friend. Perfect for showcasing your content or getting email signups. Last but not least, Opus Clip. It slices your long videos into viral short clips with AI-powered highlights. Hello, Shorts, Reels, and TikToks. There you have it. 5 AI tools to level up your YouTube game. Like, subscribe, and let me know which tool you'll try first. More quick AI tips coming your way.